boys and girls. Welcome to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool. It is story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. I can't wait to read our new story today. What about you, Ollie? Yeah, Ollie's excited too. Reading books is one of my favorite things. It's where you can pretend like you're someplace else and you can use your imagination. I love to read books. Okay. Before we get started, you know we have to sing the hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay. Are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you. Hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, thank you guys for singing. Okay, I'm just going to put Ollie down so I can use both of my hands to read the story. Okay, this book is called You're All My Favorites by Sam McBrathney. You're all my favorites. I wonder what this story is going to be about. Here's the title page. You're all my favorites. Well, once upon a time, there was a mother bear, a father bear, and 3 baby bears. A first baby bear, a second baby bear, and a third baby bear. That's like me and my sisters. I have 2 sisters, so there was the first one, me in the middle, and then the baby one, the third sister. Whoever tucked them in at night always said the same thing to them. You are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world. Turn, page, turn. I can't get my page to turn. Uh-oh. One night, after Mommy Bear had tucked them in, and after she said, you are the most wonderful baby bears in the whole wide world, the baby bears began to wonder. I wonder what they were wondering. But how do you know? They asked their mommy bear. How do you know that we are the most wonderful bears in the whole wide world? That's a good question. Wonder what the answer is. Let's see what Mama says. Because your daddy told me, said Mommy Bear. When your daddy saw you on the night that you were born, he said, and I remember it very well. He said, those are the nicest baby bears I've ever seen. They are the nicest baby bears anyone has ever seen. That's what Daddy Bear said on the night that they were born. They must be triplets. That was a good answer. The 3 baby bears snuggled down as content as could be. But one day, the first baby bear began to think. He wondered if the other 2 bears were nicer than he was. They had patches after all, and he did not. Maybe his mommy really liked patches. See the patches, the little spots? He didn't have any. So he began to think, well, maybe he wasn't the nicest bear. Well, then the second bear began to wonder, maybe Daddy loves the other 2 bears more than me, she thought. They were boy bears, after all, and she was not. She was a girl. And the third baby bear began to worry. I'm only the littlest, he thought. Everybody's bigger than me. They're all wondering. So, that night, the 3 baby bears asked their daddy bear, Which one of us do you like most? Who is your favorite? We cannot all be the best. Yes, you can, said Daddy Bear. I know you can because I heard your mommy say so. When she saw you and Daddy Bear picked up the first baby bear to give him a cuddle, she said, "That is the most perfect baby bear that anyone has ever seen, even with no patches." "Patches don't matter at all," replied his daddy as he tucked him in. And when your mommy saw you, Daddy Bear picked up the second baby bear. She said, "This is the most perfect second baby bear that anyone has ever seen, even if I'm not a boy." "Girl or boy, it makes no difference," said her daddy, and he hugged her tight. And when your mommy saw you, Daddy Bear lifted the last baby into his arms, she said, "This is the most perfect third baby bear anyone has ever seen, even if I'm the littlest." Bigly or littly, we love you just the same. So there, 3 favorites. You're all my favorites. And the best baby bears in the whole wide world went to sleep as happily as could be, because that was a good answer too. So, were they all their moms and dads' favorite? Yes, they are. Just like you, your moms and dads and grown-ups, they love you all just the same. That was a fun book, wasn't it? Good answers, weren't they? Yes, they were. Wasn't that a good book, Ollie? Ollie liked it too. Okay, we are going to sing our goodbye song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Oh, that was great singing. Thank you, guys. Okay, Ollie's gonna blow his kisses. Are you ready to catch? Okay, you ready, Ollie? Okay. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, good job, Ollie. Will you blow kisses to Ollie now? Yes? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's gonna catch him. He's a-looking, he's a-looking. Oh, there's one, yes. There's one, yeah. Oh, there's one too. Oh, one more. Oh, rub him on your cheek. Thank you, guys. You have an awesome week, and we will see you next week with another day of story time with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.